In a world where negativity and division seem to dominate, it's no wonder that we often find ourselves longing for a deeper connection, a source of hope and inspiration. We grapple with the burdens of everyday life, searching for answers to the chaos that surrounds us. But what if I told you there is a way to unlock a superhuman power within ourselves? Welcome to a mind-bending journey that will challenge your perception of what it means to be truly extraordinary. Today, we dive into the secrets of 3 remarkable qualities that have the potential to shape our lives in ways we never thought possible. Firstly, we explore the concept of unconditional love, a superhuman habit for magnetism. Imagine a world where love flows effortlessly, without judgment or conditions. We'll unravel how embracing this extraordinary practice not only attracts positivity, but also triggers a ripple effect of transformation in our relationships and experiences. Next, we unravel the power of kindness, generosity, and authenticity. In a world plagued by selfishness and mistrust, we'll illuminate how these simple yet profound qualities possess the unparalleled ability to ignite profound change in ourselves and others. Prepare to witness heartwarming stories that will leave you inspired to become an agent of uncommon kindness. And finally, we journey into the realm of practicing boundless compassion for greater resilience and wisdom. In a life filled with challenges and uncertainties, it is compassion that enables us to rise above adversity, transforming our own strength and understanding. Experience the remarkable stories of individuals who have harnessed the transformative power of compassion to navigate the most unforgiving circumstances. But our exploration doesn't end there. Throughout this incredible odyssey, we will unveil the mysteries behind these extraordinary powers and share practical techniques for incorporating them into our daily lives. If you are ready to unlock your extraordinary potential and set forth on a path of personal growth and empowerment, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to witness the awe-inspiring stories and insights that lie ahead. All right. Let's get started. Unconditional love, a concept often associated with divinity, holds the power to transform us into highly magnetic and even superhuman beings. It is the purest form of love, devoid of any conditions or expectations. When we embrace this divine habit, something extraordinary happens. We become irresistible magnets for positivity and connection. In our day-to-day lives, we often come across various opportunities to engage in selfless service, where we give without expecting anything in return. This act of generosity radiates an unparalleled form of compassion, enriching not only the lives of those we serve, but also our own. Imagine the impact we can make when we extend our love freely, without any strings attached. Let's take a moment to highlight the importance of loving ourselves unconditionally before extending that love to others. When we nurture a deep sense of self-acceptance and self-care, we awaken a wellspring of love within us. This allows us to forge deeper connections with those around us as we approach relationships from a place of genuine authenticity and understanding. For instance, imagine a scenario where you encounter a stranger who seems lost and overwhelmed. Instead of passing by indifferently, choose to show acts of kindness, a helping hand, a listening ear, or simply a warm smile. These small gestures can create ripples of positivity in the world, leaving an indelible impact not only on the receiver, but also on yourself. By practicing acts of kindness, we open ourselves to new connections and opportunities for growth. Another essential aspect of unconditional love is forgiveness. It is an act of releasing grudges, resentments, and negative emotions that hold us back. Forgiveness liberates us from the burdens of the past, allowing us to embrace love fully and unconditionally. By practicing forgiveness, we become magnets for harmony and serenity, attracting more positive experiences into our lives. Imagine a situation where you've had a misunderstanding with a loved one. Instead of harboring resentment, you choose to forgive and let go. This act of forgiveness not only heals your relationship, but also profoundly impacts your own well-being. By releasing negative energy, you create space for love and understanding to flourish, leading to greater magnetism and a deeper connection. Through the lens of unconditional love, selfless service, self-love, acts of kindness, and forgiveness, we can tap into our innate superhuman potential. By embracing these qualities, we become magnets for love, compassion, and positivity, not only transforming our own lives, but also touching the lives of those around us. Kindness is like a ripple in a pond, spreading positivity to those we encounter. From a simple smile to holding the door for someone, these small acts can brighten someone's day and even restore their faith in humanity. Imagine the joy you can bring to someone by donating resources such as money, clothes, or food. Your generosity provides the essentials for those in need, offering a glimmer of hope and support during their time of struggle. Every donation, no matter how small, contributes to making a difference in the lives of others. Authenticity is a powerful quality that invites us to embrace our true selves without fear of judgment. When we dare to be authentically ourselves, we inspire and empower others to do the same. Instead of conforming to societal standards for approval, we have the courage to pursue our passions and live a life that truly resonates with our hearts. Take a moment to reflect on your own life. Have you ever felt the pressure to conform or hide your true self? By embracing fearless authenticity, you create a space for personal growth and connection with others who appreciate and respect the real you. Inner peace is a state that radiates from within, regardless of the external circumstances. It is a harmony that can be nurtured through gratitude practices and mindfulness. Taking the time to acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in our lives helps shift our focus towards the positive, fostering a sense of gratitude that fuels our inner peace. Mindfulness, a practice of being fully present in the moment, allows us to let go of worries and anxiety, creating space for internal harmony and tranquility. Through mindfulness, we cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves and find solace in the present moment, regardless of the chaos that may surround us. Boundless compassion is an expansive mindset that goes beyond our own self-interests and extends empathy and understanding to others. By putting ourselves in other people's shoes, we gain a new perspective, forging deep connections rooted in empathy and compassion. Imagine the impact we can make when we listen more than we speak. Listening allows us to truly hear and understand others, fostering compassion and promoting harmony. By giving our full attention and suspending judgment, we create a safe space where individuals feel valued, heard, and understood. Advocating for those who cannot speak for themselves is an integral part of practicing boundless compassion. Whether it's standing up against injustice or raising our voices for the vulnerable, advocacy is an act of compassion that echoes beyond ourselves. By using our voices and influence for the greater good, we become agents of change in a world that desperately needs it. As we embrace the habit of boundless compassion, we align ourselves with the divine essence of compassion that exists within the universe. We tap into a wellspring of love, empathy, and understanding that reaches far beyond our individual selves. With each compassionate act, we become a beacon of hope, radiating warmth and kindness to uplift those around us. Taking these habits to heart doesn't require monumental gestures or grand gestures. It's about starting small and being consistent. Each day, we can practice acts of compassion and empathy that make a difference in the lives of others. It's in the simplicity of a smile, a kind word, or a helping hand that boundless compassion finds a true power. And don't forget, one of the most impactful ways to spread boundless compassion is by sharing this video with your loved ones. Together, we can inspire a ripple effect of kindness and compassion that touches lives near and far. By embracing boundless compassion, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute to a more compassionate and connected world. Let us be the change we wish to see, one act of kindness at a time. Thanks for watching the video till the end. May God bless you in your successful manifestation journey ahead.